Not all businesses are sexy and pretty. Some businesses look boring and quiet, like the librarian with glasses and pigtails, but makes your bank account look sexy behind closed doors, right? So keep that in mind when you're trying to decide what business you should start. Make sure it makes sense for you and your family. So with that being said, before we break down how to start a business renting trailers,
allow me to reintroduce myself.
my name is Devon. Put in work Burke, a business consultant, online marketer, family man, and fitness enthusiast. Also, the creator of the Wealthbuilderz.com. That's the Wealthbuilderz with a Z.com. The business website that will have you and help you make more money, save more money, build a better you and business. And if you're looking for business funding, go to the wealthbuilderz.com/wealthbuilderz-funding or click the first link in the description below. Also, subscribe to the channel and like this video. Listen, starting a business renting trailers, right, involves several steps, including market research, planning, legal consideration, and marketing. So here's a comprehensive guide to help you get started. Okay, we're going to break it all the way down. So number one, market research. You got to identify the demand. Determine if there is a demand for trailer rentals in your area. Look for gaps in the market that you and your company can fill. You have to analyze competitors, right? Study your competition to understand their strengths and weaknesses. Identify what makes them successful and areas where you can offer something different or better, where you can improve, right? Also, you need a target audience. Define your target customer. It is going to be individuals, businesses, event organizers, and understand their needs. Number two, you got to have a plan. So we got to get into business planning, right? Write a detailed business plan outlining your business model, target market, pricing strategy, marketing plan, and financial projections. I know listen, it's going to be some work. You got to put some work in here. Next up, you have to do some budgeting. Estimate your startup cost, right? Including the purchase of trailers, insurance, licensing, and marketing. Plan for ongoing expenses such as maintenance and storage. Number three, legal considerations. You have to consider your business structure. Decide on a business structure, aka or maybe a sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, corporation, and also you need to register your business, right? Now, you also got to think about licensing and permits. Obtain the necessary licenses and permits required to operate a trailer rental business in your area. The next step is insurance. You got to have insurance. Get comprehensive insurance coverage for your trailers, including liability and damage coverage. Number four, acquiring trailers. You got to purchase trailers, right? Choose the types of trailers you want to offer based on market demand. Utility trailers, enclosed trailers, car trailers. It could be a lot of different trailers, right? So you got to choose which one you're going to start out with. Now, you have a new versus used, right? Decide whether to purchase new or used trailers. New trailers may have fewer maintenance issues, while used trailers can be more cost effective in the beginning. So you have to kind of weigh it out. If you're going to go new with no issues or used and might have an issue or two. Now, the question is how many trailers? Now, don't get caught up in trying to purchase a whole fleet of trailers in the beginning. Your best bet is to start with 1 to 3 trailers to establish a client base, then expand your business as you gain more consistent clients. I personally would go with 2 trailers to start. Okay. Number 5, setting up operation. You need to store and maintain these storage units. These trailers, right? So you got to secure a location to store your trailers and establish a routine maintenance schedule to ensure they remain in good condition. Also, you're going to need a booking system. Set up a booking and reservation system either through a website or specialized rental management software. I recommend Acuity Schedule. It integrates with multiple apps and very easy to use. So check out the link in the description. All right. Now, after you do all that, you got to set up your pricing strategy. Develop a competitive pricing strategy that covers your costs and allows for a profit margin. Consider offering discounts for longer rental periods or repeat customers. Next up, we got marketing and sales. This is a big one, right? Because without marketing and sales, you don't really have any money. See, you have to create a brand identity, including a memorable business name, logo, and website. If you need to do that, go to canva.com. I'm telling you, okay? Also, you need an online presence. Build a user-friendly website that showcases your trailers, pricing, and rental terms. Optimize it for search engine, optimization to attract online traffic. All right, you want to be able to track the traffic, not always pay for the traffic or always posting on social media. And speaking of social media, you have to use social media platforms to promote your business and engage with potential customers, especially in the beginning. Post regular updates, promotions, and customer testimonials, maybe a day in their life, and all these different things that attract customers, okay, and people that want to do business with you. And you have to also look into local advertising. Advertise in local newspapers, business directories, and community bulletin boards. Consider partnerships with local businesses or event organizers. Customer service. Provide excellent customer service to encourage repeat business and positive word of mouth referrals. And number 7, managing finances. This is a big one, right? Businesses can't operate without their finances being managed, right? So you have to pick the right accounting system. So you set up an accounting system to track income, expenses, and profits. Consider using accounting software to streamline this process. I would recommend QuickBooks, and there's a link in the description for that. Now, one of my special parts that I kind of specialize in is funding. Determine how you will finance your startup costs. Options include personal savings, loans, or investors. And you have to look at your profit margin. Monitor your financial performance regularly and adjust your business strategies as needed to maintain profitability, okay? And number 8, legal and safety compliance. Rental agreements, draft clear and comprehensive rental agreements that outline the terms and conditions of the rental, including liability and damage policies. Also, ensure all trailers meet safety standards and are regularly inspected to prevent accidents and liabilities. All right? Because safety should be number 1, especially in a business like this. Safety has to be the ultimate priority in your business, right? Because you can lose your whole business just by somebody getting hurt and you not having the proper paperwork, proper safety standards, all that good stuff in your business. All right? Now, also, to really grow your business, regularly seek feedback from customers to improve your services, okay? Because you want to hear from your customers directly what you need to improve on. Also, build relationship with local businesses and organizations to create referral partnerships. And also, would like for you to continuous improvement, like focus on continuous improvement. Stay updated on industry trends and continuously look for ways to improve your business, operations, and customer satisfaction. By following these steps, you can establish a successful trailer rental business that meets the needs of your customers and generates a steady income. And remember, boring businesses can make you so much money and can be really sexy behind closed doors. Okay? So until next time, Wealthbuilders, It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, signing off for how to start a business renting trailers. If you're looking for funding, check out the wealthbuilderzz.com and click on business funding and get started today. Until next time, wealth builders, peace.